is bacon, butter, or ghee. I mean, how many ways can you eat it? I guess I'm just the girl that could eat. I could eat the same thing over and over again. I feel like are you switching it up when you like eat liver, shrimp? You're switching it up, but like after you've done the carnivore diet for a while, you'll get used to I might wake up in the morning and do my makeup. I want to start, oh, we were supposed to put our wigs on tonight. I want to start doing my makeup. I want to start, once I get my van bill, like I can't do it right now because I'm still working on the van, but I get my van bill out the way. So is there's gonna be next Wednesday? I think I want to go to Vegas on New Year's. I think I want to become, go to Vegas on New Year's. But I want to start, y'all not talking to me. But it's okay because I still got 22 people in the house and 50 thumbs up. But I think I want to go to Vegas on New Year's, and I want to start dressing up. Like, I think I have some cute pieces where I can dress up. Still need to do some sling videos. My hands look really rough and tough, y'all. I done been through a lot. Me and my hands, we done been through a lot of hard work. Just a lot. I'm gonna take care of my hands, and I'm gonna nourish my hands back to health, to beauty. I'm gonna love on my hands. You know, love can bring anything back to life. And I'm going to nourish my hands and love on them. And I'm going to bring them back to life. And that's what 2005, I was trying to think what I wanted to do or what I was going to focus on in 2005. I think that's going to be my focus. Nourishing on me, loving on me, and bringing my back to life. You know, when a plant is dying and you give it water, it rejuvenates it and gives it the nourishment that it needs. It takes time to bring it back to life. And I think I'm at the point in my life where I don't just want to exist. I want to bring myself back to life. I want to bring myself back to who Vanessa is. Yes. So, anywho, That's what